Welcome back, my name is Carrie, and today I'm going to show you a new modern prefab home that I had no idea existed until today. Actually, yesterday. I'm always on the lookout for the latest prefab homes available all around the world, but lately I've been getting requests for a specific area in the United States that seems to be underrepresented in the industry. Imagine my delight when I found a new company building modern modular homes in the requested area, and to sweeten the pot even more, they've got a cool look. Jackpot. Doesn't get much better than that. The company I'm talking about is Harry Vine Homes with their high-quality modular living solutions. Harry Vine Homes is located in Lawrenceville, Pennsylvania, a thriving neighborhood in Pittsburgh. Go Penguins. I've been getting many comments about the lack of companies building on the eastern side of the United States, so I was excited to find this company and spend some time learning about who they are and what they're doing. I don't have the exact date, but based strictly off their Instagram profile, it looks like they started up in the back half of 2023. Their first post from September 23rd says, "Hello everyone, we're thrilled to announce the launch of the newest Pittsburgh-based business, Harry Vine Homes. Our mission is to streamline the home construction process by offering high-quality, modern modular homes. We believe in quality, value, and most importantly, providing home buyers and builders with an unparalleled service experience." Hear that? They're providing home buyers and builders an unparalleled service experience. I've noticed that some of the new prefab companies are being set up to deal directly with developers, but rest assured that is not the case here. It says so right on the Instagram post. Fun fact, Harry Vine Homes was not started by a guy named Harry Vine. It was started by Bob Hartle. Go figure. Apparently, Bob has 2 decades of experience in and around the industry, having been involved with home construction, development, and real estate. In that time, he realized 2 things that led him to starting Harry Vine Homes. Number 1, it's becoming less affordable to both buy and build a home. Yeah. Number 2, the building process can be simplified so you don't have to sacrifice quality or time. So, here we are. Still curious where the name came from though. After spending a bit of time on the Harry Vine Homes website, one of the things that I liked was it's straightforward. They had all the information I was looking for without putting a bunch of crap that nobody cares about. For example, in their digital brochure, they've listed out everything that's included in the home. A few items that stood out to me are the sliding glass door to the bedroom and the fact that it comes complete with a stainless steel fridge, stove, microwave, and dishwasher. The other thing I like about the website is the current lead time is provided. Keyword being current. How fast someone can get a home is an important factor to consider, and most companies will put something like 8 to 10 weeks and then leave it there forever. Since they put current lead time and it's a more precise timeline, it makes me think that it's something that they're going to update frequently so people know exactly how long it'll take to get a home. Right now they've got it listed at 6 weeks. Think about that for a second. A brand new home built and delivered in 6 weeks. It's pretty crazy. Speaking of which, if you want to get your hands on a home from Harry Vine, they've broken the process down into 8 steps. Step 1 is discover. Step 2 is tour, and they have the ability to schedule a tour of their facility to learn more about their process right on their website. Step 3 is commit. To me, this sounds like a college athlete committing to a school. They should give buyers a Harry Vine hat and make them sign the contract in front of a Harry Vine backdrop. No, but seriously, commit is just signing the contract. They should do that though. Step 4 is invest, which I'm guessing means pay deposit. Step 5 is site prep, which can be done by the buyer or Harry Vine Homes, but more on that in a few minutes. Step 6 is install. Step 7 is own, and step 8 is thrive. So really what we're looking at here is 6 steps, but you get the drift. Let's have a look at what they've got going on here. I'm not sure if this will always be the case, but right now as it stands, they're showing 1 floor plan on their website. Of course, it's possible that more will be added, but I don't mind this a bit as a place to start. Why not come out with an awesome plan and get good at building it before adding in new options? Makes sense to me. I think it's a great idea. What they've come out with is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom home at 600 square feet. The description says Harry Vine Homes are expertly designed to provide modern living in an efficient space. The homes are constructed in our facility using high-quality materials and industry-standard best practices. I want to start with the outside of this home because I think they've done a great job with the look. If you're checking out one of these homes from the street, looking at the end of the home, they've got a shed roof, covered porch, and windows that give it a modern look that I quite like. The home has has dimensions of 12'6" by 48'2" for a total footprint of 600 square feet and could be an option for a single family or an ADU. The exterior is finished with James Hardie fiber cement board, and it comes standard with metal trim and roof to further enhance the modern look. Something I found interesting about the window placements on the Harry Vine is they're on the ends and one wall, but one entire side doesn't have any windows. I haven't been to Pittsburgh yet and know literally nothing about the real estate market there, but I'm guessing there's a reason. For example, it's possible that the area has narrow lots available for homes this size, and this would prevent neighbors from having sight lines directly into the home. In fact, I saw on their Instagram they've already placed 2 of these side by side, so it's a possibility that's one purpose they're designed for. To keep things efficient, right now this does appear to be a fairly standardized build, but they do offer a few options to customize in order to get a bit of a different look. Let's check them out. They currently offer 4 options or upgrades to change the home's look. They include custom selected exterior paint. The standard exterior paint on the Harry Vine is Silver Bells from Benjamin Moore, but maybe you want to get Booth Bay Gray. You can get whatever you want, it just sounds like there will be a cost associated with making that change. Makes sense. The second option listed is an exterior privacy shield. Not shown, so close your eyes and let your imagination run wild. The third option is a 3x12 entry composite deck. Good to know. It looks like it's shown on the rendering, so that would be an upgrade. The final option is a 4x12 primary bedroom composite deck. Option to deck this thing out on both ends. Nice. Inside the home, the way they have it set up is with the main entrance on the front into the living room. The front section of the home is made up of the living room, dining room, and kitchen with dimensions of 18'1" by 11'8". I'm gonna say it, I'm a big fan of this kitchen. It's a corner kitchen and I like how much storage they've fit into the space. Starting at the front of the home, they've got a pantry, then they've got built-in seating, which I think is really smart. With the built-in bench seating, less chairs are required, leaving more space for the living room furniture. In the model shown, it looks like they've got a full-size couch and a chair, and it doesn't look cramped to me. Although it can be hard to tell from pictures though, so probably need to check this thing out. Heading down the hall, the first door on the right is into the bathroom. However, before entering into the bathroom, they've got more storage. On one side, they've got a linen closet, and on the other is the utility room. Occasionally, you see the washer dryer located in the utility room, but not the case here. It's more likely the electrical panel, hot water on demand, and stuff like that. In the bathroom, they've got a walk-in shower, toilet, floating vanity, and the stacking washer dryer in a separate closet. FYI, the washer dryer is listed on the spec sheet, so would be included in the base price of the home. Nice touch. Heading down the hall, in the middle of the plan is the second bedroom with dimensions of 8'7" by 8'3". Pretty standard issue bedroom here. You got your window, you got your closet. You know the drill. The last space in the home is the main bedroom, and there is definitely more to discuss in this space. To start, the dimensions of the room are 9'7" by 11'8", and they've done it up with a bigger closet and the sliding glass door access to the backyard. Clear winner between the 2 bedrooms. Not even close. All in all, I like how they've designed this home both inside and out, a well thought out use of 600 square feet. Before I wrap this thing up, I am going to get into their pricing, but keep in mind prices can and usually do change, but will be accurate at the time of posting this video. The Harry Vine home starts at $150,000 for just the home and starts at $200,000 for the home, full site prep, and install services. Nice to have options on how fully you'll be serviced. I like that. Harry Vine Homes is a brand new prefab builder located in Pittsburgh with a 600 square foot modern modular home. They're on a mission to streamline the construction process by providing high quality modular living solutions. People have been asking to see more options available in the eastern states, and this is one I'm excited about, so I'll be following along with what they're up to and posting updates right here on my YouTube channel. That's all I've got for today. If you like manufactured home videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I've got new ones coming out every single week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.